Learn how to keep the confines of your level inside the camera viewport, regardless of shape, size, or aspect ratio. This works for orthographic cameras only. Create a function returning a vector3 for the center and a float for the orthographic size. We'll first create a bounding box around our level elements. The idea is to encapsulate everything you want on the screen into the bounds. For this tutorial, I'll just be grabbing colliders using fine objects of type, but you should probably have a list of colliders or positions ready to go. Alternatively, if you're using a tile map, you can get the bounds by calling compressBounds function on the tile map and retrieve the bounds via the local bounds property. We'll expand the bounds by a buffer variable to give a bit of space around the edge of the screen. We now need to find what orthographic size is required to fit our level objects both vertically and horizontally. Vertical is simple. We'll set it directly to the Y value of the bounding box. Horizontal is a bit more involved, as aspect ratio comes into play. Take your bounds X and multiply it by your aspect ratio, which can be obtained by dividing pixel height by pixel width of the camera. Now we choose the greater value as our orthographic size and multiply it by 0.5. We do this because the camera is half size while in orthographic mode. To demonstrate this, say we set our orthographic size to 3. Being half size, this would give us 6 units vertically. If we're using the illustrious aspect ratio 69, this would give us 4 units horizontally. Lastly, we set our center to the middle of the bounding box and return the tuple. You can use the return values like so. You now have a responsive orthographic camera which will adapt to any level for any screen size. That's about it. See ya.